everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I am Magda, and today I will show you how to prepare rice pudding. This is a recipe that my mom used to cook as I was growing up, and so I learned it from her. So I will try to make it today for you, and I hope you like it. I'll show you what the ingredients are. There are a few ingredients. We will start with 2 sticks of cinnamon, 2 bay leaves, 3 cones of brown sugar, 3 cups of rice, and a gallon of whole milk. I use the whole milk because if you use the 2% or other percentage, it will taste like water. And I like my rice pudding taste really creamy and good. Here we have the rice. It has been soaked overnight, and the reason that I soak it is because it will cook faster. So I like to do that. So now we want to rinse it many times until all the starch come out. So we will rinse that water that was in there. Probably one more time. I think it's more than enough. Let all the water go out. Okay. Perfect. Our next step is gonna be turning our stove in medium low, and we wanna add our gallon of milk. We'll try to. I forgot to tell you, but I use this pot that is a Teflon, so the milk doesn't get stuck so easy in there. Okay, a gallon. Now we want to add the 2 sticks of cinnamon and the 2 bay leaves. And we are going to give it a little stir. And what we want to do is we will let it boil. And then I'll show you the next step after it boils. And one thing that I need to tell you is while the milk is heating up, or don't you need to stir it up so that it doesn't burn or nothing. So we'll give it a little once in a while, stir it like that. So right now it's cold, so it will not stuck. Well, our milk is already ready. It's really hot. It's kind of boiling. So it's time to add the rice. And I don't know if I told you, but this is long grain rice. We would want to do really careful so it doesn't splash. Okay, and we'll continue stirring until the rice is cooked. Well, it has been an hour that I've been cooking the rice in medium low, and remember to stir constantly because we don't want them to get stuck in the bottom. So now I'm gonna add 2 of the cones of sugar cane. I didn't add it since the beginning because the sugar make it get stuck in the bottom easier. So now we're kind of halfway. So I wanna put 2 of them, and then we'll try the sweet if I like it like that. Or I can add the other one, but for now we'll put 2, and then we'll continue stirring until the milk consumed completely. Let's try it out. It's sweet, but my mom used to make it sweeter than this, so I'll put another cone of brown sugar. It's a little slow. You see now this is getting thicker and thicker. Okay, so you adjust sugar how you like it. So me, I put 3 cones of brown sugar. It's getting there. It's looking good and it smells so yummy. The cinnamon smells so good. Well, our rice pudding is ready, how I like it. My mom used to leave it into the spoon stay straight like that by itself. You can see mine doesn't stay, but I like mine little creamier. So I leave it like that. I remove it like that. See, if your rice is not cooked all the way, when it takes this consistency, you can add more milk, but you need to add it hot. So you can eat it little by little, and then as it goes, you know, you can try it until your rice is cooked, and the thickness you need to choose which one. This is the thickness that I like, you know. My mom used to make it really thick. Okay, so now we want to remove it from the heat and let it cool a little bit, and then we'll serve some. Now we want to serve a little bit and try it out. Usually what you do it not in the middle but on the side. Well, that's how my mom teaches. And then you just put it in your bowl that you want to use. And you don't cover it. Even when they get, when it cools down, you don't cover it. That's what she told us. I don't know why, but that's what I do. Okay. Still a little hot, but I'll try it out. It's still hot, but it's really good. Well, I like it. I grew up eating it with my mom, and so I love it. This is one of my favorite desserts, and I remember my mom every time I make it. If you enjoy our video, support our channel by giving us a thumbs up, and if you haven't been subscribed, subscribe, and have a nice day.